we have different storylines, like collections of different storylines. So we have a red over here, and the red is for passion, and we've taken and red is also for our very traditional Indian essence. So what we've taken is the essence of India and the essence of Bima heritage design, and then we have infused a lot of modern accents into it, so that it's classic, so that it is evergreen. It's wearable by and desired by today's women, as well as desired by the generations to come. So it becomes heirloom, like a piece of jewelry for the families to come, the generations to come. We have emerald scar bracelets and bangles. We have in the green lines. We have blue. Blue basically is a very classic feel, wherein you have we've taken two very traditional Indian motifs, that is two peacocks dancing under the moonlight. So the two peacocks which we have over there has moonlight symbolized by the pearls. So these were the elements, that's the story of this one, wherein we have again the Indian motif being very classily is basically for the chic, bold woman of today's. Like, so she is basically, again over here we have taken a net full of diamonds of different sizes and shapes, and then we have just made it like a lace. And in that lace, we again have the feel of those floating diamonds. So that when I wear it, the gold vanishes, and then you have only the different shapes and sizes of the diamonds. So it has a very, very chic feel to it. We have a beautiful collection of different styling of diamonds, which is for our day wear. We have for office wear. We have for kids. We have for older ladies. We have for the younger, the working woman. So everything is taken care of, and basically what happens is each client has a different style, and each woman has a different need. So we take care of it by our different styling, and we also personalize whatever is required with our professional team of designers, gemologists, skilled craftsmen, and quality assurance guys. So the entire team has to work together to have each piece of diamond. Each piece of diamond is handpicked meticulously by our certified gemologists. All that. Namaskara. This is Shilpa here from Bima.
So we thought we'd take this
I would like to speak about engagement rings. The years over and the world over, you'll see solitaire rings being taken for engagements, for weddings, for anniversaries. So these kind of things, we have a beautiful collection. And what happens when we have when our fiance, and I have to think of how my fiance is she slender? Is she a little more elegant and tall? And depending on her style, we recommend the styling of the ring. And we have different settings like Tiffany settings, and we have different styling in the solitaires. And what happens in the solitaires, we give a combination of the 4 C's of diamonds, which is the color, cut, clarity, and the carat. So depending on the preference and the personal choice of the customer, we give them the combination. Like if I have supposing I have a figure in mind, so what I have to do, I have to work back on, am I giving more importance to the size of the solitaire, or the color, or the clarity? So we usually do DEF, we do more than VVS 1 clarity, and in solitaires we can do VS1, we can do G color, H color. So again, that is all depending on the beauty of the diamond. So an average VVS1 F color or G color would be a beautiful choice, or a VS1G also would be a beautiful choice. And then we have to take into consideration whether you need a lot of diamonds encrusted around a single solitaire, or you like a single statement diamond solitaire. There are different styling for both these. You can have diamonds on the sides encrusted in a very fine manner, like in a very a single line, a double line and stuff on the rings, or you can have only 3 diamonds, like I have a solitaire and I have 2 baguettes on the side, so that just tapers down, it's a taper baguette. So there are a lot of these kind of styling that we can customize and personalize for the choice. It's a guaranteed investment, and there's an appreciation every year. There's an appreciation in diamond prices, like how gold pricing is going up. So the entire set becomes like, if you have it in gold, if you have in white gold, if you have in platinum, the metal rates are also always appreciating, as well as the diamond rates always appreciating. So we can always invest in saving schemes, both, which definitely we can, our people can guide you about how it is. We have schemes wherein you give every 15 months, every 20 months, you have different denominations, and we have a lot of very beneficial bonuses that is added on to the installments that's already been given by the customer. So what happens is, a person is able to dream of a diamond jewelry, which is facilitated by Bima. Now this is a beautiful dangling piece, and we have a center statement stone, which is a precious stone in rubellite. And the beauty about it is I can change the stone. Now this particular stone matches my attire, what I'm wearing now. I want to wear green dress tomorrow. So what I do, I just take it out. I have a hook over here, which I remove. It's like a door. It comes out, and then I take out the rubellite.